Hello children, let's begin with question number 3 today. Find the unknown length in the given figure. Where is unknown length? Just look at the figure properly. This is a triangle. Its two sides are given and this third side is unknown. You have to find out the value of x. And one more thing, perpendicular is given here. Perpendicular is 14 meter in length. Okay. Now, how we can find out this x, value of x means this side. So you can see there is two triangles forming here because of this perpendicular. This triangle and this triangle. And here is 90 degree. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem in this part of the triangle. Yes, because this side is given. This side is also given. We will find out this side only up to here. Okay. And again we will apply the Pythagoras theorem in this part. This side is given, this side is given, and we will find out this side. Means distance from up to here. Now after getting the distance, this and this distance, we will add up both. That will be equal to the value of x. Okay. But figure's name is not given. You can name the figure as A, B, C, and this part you can write as D. Look at how you are going to solve this question. Just name the figure A, B, C, and this point we will name as D. First of all, we will apply Pythagoras theorem in this part of the triangle. So you will write in triangle ADB. In triangle ADB means this part. Where is 90 degree? Here. So what will be the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse will be AB, that is 50 meter, because hypotenuse is just opposite to the 90 degree. Okay. So Pythagoras theorem says that square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of these other two sides, that is perpendicular and base. So AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Can I write this? Okay. Now what is AB? AB is 50 meter. It's a square. AD is 14 meter. It's a square plus BD we will find out this distance. Okay. Now 50 square means 50 multiplied by 50, that is 2500, and 14 multiplied with 14, that is equal to 196 plus BD square. You have to find out the value of BD. So can we bring this 196 this side? 2500 minus 196, that is equal to BD square. Now subtract this. We will get here 2304. 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 9 0, 4 minus 1 3 and 2. BD square. Now we have to find out the value of BD. So this square will go this side and it will become root. Yesterday also I have explained you this thing. Okay, BD. Now we have to find out the square root. How to find out the square root, students? Yesterday also I have explained. Just see once again. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, and 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Now again with the table of 5, just cut it, cancel out, and we will get here 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 3 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. See, all the numbers are in pair. This is in pair, this is in pair, this is in pairs, this is in pair. So as I have told you, you have to take 1 from each pair. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 48 will be the root of this 2304. So BD length we have got, that is 48 meter. This length we have taken out. Now we have to find out this length. So you just see in this triangle, again you are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem, and again hypotenuse is 40, again perpendicular is hypotenuse is 50, perpendicular is 14 and DC is you have to find out. Same just like this. So same answer will come, same value will come for DC also. So in triangle ADC, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square, and AC square is 50. Same thing. So you can write directly also. Okay. 2500 minus 196, that is DC square. So under root 2304, same value will comes again 48 meter. Okay. Now this is also 48. Now x value you can easily find. X is equal to what? 48 plus 48, that is equal to BC. So x is equal to 48 plus 48 meter. So 96 meter will be the answer of this value of x. Got it? Now question number 4. Question number 4 is saying a 13-meter long ladder when set against the wall of a house reaches a height of 12 meter. How far the foot of the ladder from the wall? Just understand, suppose this is a ladder of 13 meter and it is reaching to the wall. This is a wall and it is reaching up to the height of 12 meter. Okay, and ladder length is given, wall height is given. You have to find out the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall. This distance. So again you can see wall is straight always, so it will form the 90 degree with the ground. Okay, so here is 90 degrees, so it will act as a hypotenuse. This will act as a perpendicular, and this distance we can easily find out by using the Pythagoras theorem. So first of all you will write, let AB be the ladder and AC is the wall, as we have denoted. BC is the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall. Now we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Now just put out the value. AB is 13, AC is 12 and BC you have to find out. 13 means 13 into 13 will be equal to 169. 12 into 12 will be equal to 144, and 169 minus 144 will be equal to what? 25. Okay, root under 25. Find out the value of this. Root under 25 means, of course, 5 5s are 25. For this pair you will take 1. So 5 meter or centimeter given in the book. Centimeter. Okay, meter. 5 meter is the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall. Got it? Now question number 5. Two poles 18 meter and 13 meter high stand upright in a playground. If their feet are 12 meter apart, find the distance between their tops. Suppose two poles are there. This is 18 meter high and this is 13 meter high. Both are standing upright in a level of a ground, and the distance between the pole is 12 meter. You have to find out the distance between their tops, means this distance. This top and this top. This distance you have to find out. How we will find out this? So if this is 12 meter, we can join this. This will be also equal to 12 meter because same distance 12 meter. This will be also equal to 12 meter. Now we have to find out this distance, because this full height of this pole is 18 meter and this one is 13 meter. So 18 minus 13. If it is 13, then this height of this pole up to this part, up to here, is equal to 13 only. Okay, if you will subtract 18 minus 13, we will get this distance. Yes or no? Suppose we will name the figure A, B, C, D, E. So AC minus BC will be equal to AB. So AB will be equal to AC minus BC. What is AC? 18. What is BC? 13. So 18 minus 13 will be equal to what? 5 meter. Okay. Now if this is 12, this will be also 12, and this is 5 we have taken out. Now you can apply the Pythagoras theorem here. This is a pole, so definitely it is straight. So here it will make 90 degree. So this will act as a base, this will act as a perpendicular, and this will act as a hypotenuse for this triangle. So in triangle ABE, AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square. By applying Pythagoras theorem, you can write here Pythagoras theorem. AE is what? AE we have to find out. AB is what? 5 square plus BE is 12 square. So 25 plus 12 square means 144. 144 plus 25 will be equal to what? 169. But we have to find out the value of AE. So this square will go this side. It will become root 169. Root will be equal to 13 because 13 13 is 169. Okay. 13 13 is 169. So 13 meter is the distance of AE. AE means distance between the tops of these two pole. AE. Got it? Students, next question number 6, 7, 8, 9 we will discuss in the next video. Okay.